Welcome to the channel. Today we are going to show you how to set your birth date in the Bluesky app. This is important for managing your account settings and ensuring your profile is accurate. Whether you are new to Bluesky or just want to update your information, first, open the Bluesky app on your phone. Next, look at the top left and tap on the three dots icon. Then from this menu, select the option called Settings. Inside the Settings menu, scroll until you find the Moderation section. Tap on Moderation to see additional options related to account management and content controls. In this section, you will see the option to set birth date. Click on it and carefully enter your birth date using the appropriate format. Once you have entered your birth date correctly, make sure to tap the Save button to confirm your changes. By following these steps, you can ensure your profile is accurate and up to date. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, like this video, and share it with others who might find it helpful. Thanks for watching.